If your husband or wife has filed for a divorce, you may be concerned about what are the top 5 things you should do once you become aware of the divorce. First, you need to read the complaint. That complaint might be saying things that you totally agree with, it might be saying things that you definitely don't agree with, or it might be saying things that are just patently false. You need to know what they're saying so that you can know what your position is. Second thing you should do is consult with an attorney. You might not know what all your options are. What do you want to do about custody? What do you want to do about the house? What do you want to do about the assets you've acquired since you've been married? What do you want to do about the assets you've acquired prior to your marriage that you may have put money into after you got married? There's a lot of questions, and a lawyer can help you narrow down the major issues and your options for those issues. Third, you need to take a look at your family's finances, and you need to figure out what accounts you have and what accounts you're aware of that your partner has. A lot of the times people have absolutely no idea what their spouse makes. I mean, as far as what they earn, it could be anything, right? So it's important for you to understand, if you don't know exactly what your partner makes, how do you go about finding that information? Now, do they have a Bank of America account? Do you know that they have a Navy Federal account? Have you seen statements come in from Charles Schwab? What do you know that can help your lawyer find the information you need? Fourth is, what are the things that you actually want and what are the things that you're fine with letting go? A lot of the times people don't realize that the things they're willing to let go might be an opportunity for them to get more of what they ultimately want in the long run. You need to understand what that is and learn when to negotiate for things and when to let things go based on what your ultimate goals are. A lawyer can help you do that. The fifth and final thing is, especially if you have children, how are you and your spouse going to deal with the custody situation and how to inform your kids that their life is essentially going to change. One way or the other, their life is going to change. How will you go about doing that? Will you both talk to them? Will this be a one-on-one chat? What do you want to make sure your kids know so that they feel like they're not the reason for the divorce, that they're not at fault for caring about both of you, and what they need to do in order to kind of move forward into the next phase of their lives? If you have any questions about what things you should be aware of once you know your partner or your spouse has filed for divorce, please reach out to me. You can give me a call at 301-778-9950, or you can reach out and schedule a case evaluation and we can see what, if anything, we can help you with.